Collectors was founded in 1985. It started out grading and authenticating rare coins. And then in 1991, it started moving into the trading card arena and authenticating and grading trading cards. Right now, we're the largest company in authenticating and grading rare coins and trading cards in the world. Our mission in Collectors is to use technology to disrupt this industry, reduce the friction for our customers so that they can collect the things that they want to collect, but also vault and sell them on our marketplace. Collectors has been in the industry for over 30 years, so we definitely had a lot of old technology. Prior to moving to AWS and working with K-Lint, we had a lot of our software that was on-prem, databases, applications, web servers. The main application that we had to launch in 2022 was a vault service. With the launch of a vault, the customers can have their items not only graded and authenticated with us, but instead of shipping it back to them, we can store it for them so that they can easily sell it on our marketplace. We faced a lot of challenges when we tried to build out a lot of new applications very quickly. One of the main challenges that we faced was our on-prem databases and Kubernetes cluster. It was not very scalable. It was running on some old technology and hardware. And so with the growth that we were experiencing, we had to figure out a way to accelerate our migration to the cloud and also help our software engineering team be able to deliver their applications faster and more efficiently. K-Lint was able to quickly understand our business problem and was able to identify the correct resources. Our priority was to migrate to the cloud. The technology stack that we used was EKS, API Gateway, and also we had on-prem databases. The immediate benefits was it allowed us to quickly build new applications from the ground up and quickly deploy them. So we mainly use Aurora and DynamoDB on AWS. Compared to the Microsoft SQL Server that we have on-prem, Aurora allows us to run it in multiple AZ and also multi-region. The migration to AWS has helped us accelerate the way we develop and deploy our infrastructure and code. We don't need to think about buying additional hardware and the lead time that takes. I think our development has increased about 50% just moving to the cloud. It really has allowed us to test out new ideas, spin up new infrastructure to validate the POCs, and even help us scale our hardware as needed. We have seen a lot of improvement in employee efficiencies because now they are able to create their own infrastructure. That enables them to quickly innovate and deploy applications, either for testing or to production.
On the data side, we're really looking to make sure that we're collecting all the data that we need, that we're analyzing that data, and that we're modeling that data to match the business definitions that we have and that come from our stakeholders. And so we provide data on how users are interacting with the site, how they're converting, how they're moving from different parts of the journey, and we're looking to optimize all those different channels. In the past, when we've done the ETL of our data from the different on-prem databases into our data warehouse, it was a really arduous process. Since we've migrated to the cloud, a lot of these databases, we're not running into production bandwidth issues, and we can make that experience just with a far lower latency for us so that we can get our data to our stakeholders much more quickly, much more efficiently, and much more accurately. For the databases that we've migrated over to cloud infrastructure, it's probably at least a 40% increase in productivity. So now we have the ability to create real-time dashboards because that data is coming in real time. And so someone at the operations at the warehouse can now look at exactly what's happening and make the decisions that they need to make in real time.
We have seen a lot of growth in our software engineering practice. We have a platform engineering team that focus on DevOps and Cloud Ops. The engineers from K-Lint worked with our engineering team inside the Scrum process, working within our platform engineering team, but also across our software engineering team to help clear out roadblocks, educate our engineers on AWS best practices. What impressed me with Kalent was that they felt like an extension of our team. It didn't feel like it was a consulting company. It felt more like a partnership where we could brainstorm ideas, and with their experience, they were able to let us know what worked and what didn't work. And so we were able to effectively skip all those lessons learned and implement our migration more effectively. At Collectors, we hold a very high bar for our enterprise systems. Kalent was able to come in and seamlessly work with our engineering team, adhering to the high technical bar that we hold. If you're looking for a partner to help you accelerate the migration to cloud or implement new technologies on the cloud, I recommend you choose Kalent.